Hello guys, welcome to King Amori. This is a mix pictures guys and a birthday celebration for Dennis. Yeah, when I'm in Philippines, that is the banding namin. So now ito na siya ngayon, ang aking binata. So yan noon, maliit pa siya. So yan. Walang katulad ang bonding ng aking anak, 'di ba? So 'yan, ako sa kusina 'pag nasa Pilipinas. That is my husband. Ayan na siya. So this is my son. He's big boy already. Motsay, motsay. So yan ang sweet na aking anakis. So yan. Nag-collect na lang ako ng mga pictures niya guys. Para maisama dito sa sa aking video sa kanya. Para ayan, yung hindi pa na siya nagsasabi ng niyan, uwi na ako. So yan, ito na yung celebration ng birthday ni Dennis. So yan, with my son. And this is the food. So this is ng Ami, my sister-in-law. Yan. And my ate, Rowena. So yan, this is Ate Rowing. Ito naman, ang cutie-cutie ko. Mag-ama. So yan, that's it. This is Dennis. Ang nagpahipi sa bear na anakis. So, yan ang kainan with his friends. Diba? So, yan. Yan na yung bagong gupit. So, yan parang correct. Nakapanghawak pa. With my pamangkin, Wenzel. And yan na. Ganyan siya. Kung pag nasa mood, magpa-picture. Pag nasa mood yan, ayan, ang niyan is ang saya. So yan, welcome to King Amori. Hello guys, welcome to King Amori's vlog. This is it. Hello Motsay, happy birthday to you. My dear na naman yung ex-boyfriend. Umulit yung ko. Ayan mo na guys. Kasi enemy para maano now lang yung aking best video. Friend. Happy birthday. Happy Umaba kasi umulit pala siya. So yan. Hayaan mo na. My son. At yan na. And this is my small family. So happy birthday. My son and my husband. This is it already guys. Ito yun na yung umpisa. That is my brother and my son. That is the food. And my pamangkin and ng Ami. Hanapin ang birthday boy nasaan? Nasa hagdanan ang birthday boy ng Ami. Thank you everyone. And to my sa munting handa sister. Yan yung ate ko. So yan. The celebration. Thank you so much guys. Please like and subscribe.
Please subscribe, like, and subscribe.
Thank you for
Thank you for
watching. See you
See you
for
again.
my next vlog. Bakit umulit naman ito? So, yan. Thank you for the next vlog, guys.